Welcome to the PrintGizmo 7.1 tutorial series. Security and simplicity are vital for B2B stores. We have introduced domain restriction to ensure only authorized users access your store, combined with email OTP login to provide a faster, passwordless experience. To set this up, navigate to Brands in the admin panel. Select a store to edit. In the email domain restriction field, enter your approved domains separated by commas. Next, locate the Enable Email OTP Login setting. You can choose to offer passwordless login only to existing registered customers or to all customers, allowing new users to sign up seamlessly via OTP. On the storefront, users with approved domains will receive a one-time password to verify their identity and log in instantly. However, if an unauthorized domain attempts to access the store, the system will immediately block the attempt with a warning message, keeping your store secure. Thank you for watching.